In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an org chart in Google Sheets. Whether you're mapping out your company's hierarchy or simply need to visually represent organizational structures, Google Sheets provides a straightforward way to create organizational charts, often referred to as org charts by many. Let's begin by preparing your data. It's essential to start with a well-organized spreadsheet. Open Google Sheets and enter your data in two columns. The first column should list the names of the employees or positions, and the second column should contain the immediate supervisors or parent positions for each corresponding person or position. This back and forth relationship is vital because it forms the basis of your org chart structure. Once your data is in place, you'll need to select it. Highlight both columns by clicking and dragging your mouse across all the cells containing your data. This ensures that all your entries are captured for the chart creation process. It's important to double check that you've captured all necessary rows and columns so that none of your data is missing when you generate the chart. The next step is to create the chart itself. With your data highlighted, navigate to the toolbar at the top of the page. Click Insert and then select Chart. This action will bring up the chart editor on the right side of your screen. The chart editor is a powerful tool that allows you to customize various aspects of your chart, and in this step, it will guide us in transforming raw data into a visual representation of your organization's structure. Now we'll need to change the chart type. In the chart editor, you'll see the Setup tab. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various chart options. Under Chart Type, scroll down until you find Organizational Chart and select it. This specific chart type is designed for visualizing hierarchical data, making it ideal for our org chart. Once you've selected the organizational chart type, your chart will automatically update to reflect this change. You'll see a visual representation appear on the sheet that mirrors the relationships described in your data. Take a moment to review this chart, ensuring everything displays correctly and as intended. That's it. You've successfully created an organizational chart in Google Sheets. With just a few clicks, you now have a visual tool that effectively displays relationships and hierarchies within an organization. You can easily refine and adjust this chart by making changes to your initial data or by utilizing the various customization options within the chart editor. Remember, looking over your data carefully before the chart creation process can save you time and help avoid any errors in representation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process of creating an org chart in Google Sheets both clear and manageable.